Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have another little inexpensive drone to show you. This is new for the year 2019. It is called SG106 drone. First of all, I would like to thank Banggood for sending me this drone, and I will put links below where you can find it. Banggood.com. Check out their site for more cool quadcopters just like this one. And also, here's a coupon code for 6% off, and if you download the app, you will get extra 10%. Links are in description. I would call it beginner drone because it is having pretty basic features. But when I tell you all the features it has, you are gonna be, hey, maybe I want it. So, let me show you the features. Follow me mode, gesture control, gesture photo, gesture recording, Wi-Fi connection, altitude hold, 1 key takeoff, 1 key land, and auto hold. First, I will show you a quick unboxing so you can see what's in the box. When we open the box, we have another box inside. Instructions. Now, this drone has not one, but two 720p, 1080p or even 4K cameras, one of which is used for optical flow position. Underneath, you can see the second camera for optical flow, so it should stay extremely stable in the air. The battery goes on the back. Next we have micro USB to USB charger, a pair of landing legs, 4 extra propellers, a Phillips screwdriver. Next we have a controller. The controller turns on by pulling the arm out, which is pretty sweet. By the way, this controller has a 100-meter range, which is 328 feet. So what I am going to do now, I am gonna take the drone out and go fly it. The controller is tiny, it unfolds and you can fit your phone in here. It uses 2 AAA batteries. To start up the motors, pull both joysticks out. You can use the one button takeoff, or you can take off manually. It also has a 22-minute flight time. The battery here will get you 22 minutes, so you can put this up in the air, get a lot of filming done, flying done, and have a lot of fun. It has 720p, 1080p or 4K camera in the front, so the video quality should be pretty good, and we are going to check that out in a few seconds. To land, just press landing button on the controller and drone automatically lands. Here's a video of me showing how follow me works. Actually, it works really good. You can start and stop recording with your hand just like that. Here's a sample of me recording what the front and bottom camera see. Overall, I would really recommend this drone if you are looking for a cheap drone to fly and to film something. This is the best way to go with. So what are you waiting for? If you like this drone, go to the description and buy it. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time, bye!